Hey everyone, this is Katerina Christakos from PainFreeDrugFree.com, where we help you to go pain-free without the use of drugs or external influences. So today we're going to talk about the NLP concept that some people learn through the visual context. So some people might be, let's say, book learners. Well, you can apply this technique to pain control. So if your primary way of accessing information is through visualization, this should be really easy for you. So I want you to close your eyes and focus on your body. And just get in touch and see exactly where in your body you have pain. Okay? Now once you've accessed this area, I want you to visualize that pain. What would it look like? And some of you may say, I don't know. Well, if you did know, if you could imagine, if you could just make it up, what would it look like? For me, what I used to have is like look like a fiery ball, a red ball, in a certain area of my body. And every time I think about it, like that was kind of the visualization that came to me. So one thing I did was I started changing that picture. You know, instead of having it be a fiery red ball, well, what if it was pink? What if it was blue? What if it was purple? And I just started changing the visualization, and what I realized is if you change the color, sometimes it changes the feeling of it. It changes the intensity. Another thing you can do, and another concept within NLP, is that distance sometimes makes a difference. So if when you're picturing whatever it is you're picturing, and it seems very close to you, like, you know, internally or close to your body, if that's what you're getting the sense of, take your imagination and push it further away from you. Not just a little bit further, but like way further. So try it right now. Take whatever the image is and push it away from your body. Okay? Now push it further. Now push it a little bit further. And a little bit further. And keep doing this until you can't even really see it anymore. Maybe it's a dot out there, maybe it's not. What does that do to you? What did that just do to the sensation that was in your body before? Is it different? Okay. We're going to try one more thing. Sometimes you get an image and size is an issue. Like some people have this image of the pain or whatever it is that you've got the image of, and it's huge. I mean, it's just so big that you don't know how to handle it. Well, what if you shrunk it down? Okay, so let's just take whatever image it is and shrink it way down. What does that do to it? And some people have it where it's there, but it's not that big, right? Well, what if you took whatever that image is and you blew it way up? I mean, it's so big, it's so gigantic that you can't even see it anymore. I mean, it's taller than you are, it's wider than you are. It's just so big that it like shatters into like a million pieces. What does that do? Play around with these things. I know it may sound silly, but it's really easy to do. It's fun to do, and you will experience a change in the way you feel things within your body. And it may be that you have a reduction of pain, or it may be that the pain goes away altogether. It's different for every person that tries this. All I'm saying is take your time, have fun with it, play with it, and if you do this for like 10, 15 minutes a day, or even like 5 minutes if that's all you have, imagine the difference you will have in your body knowing that you can take control of the pain in your body. Okay? The next 2 videos I'm going to be putting out are going to be how to use auditory and kinesthetic leads to change the way you feel. So watch this one, practice it, watch the auditory one, hear what I'm saying, use the auditory techniques, and then access the pain that is or was in your body with the kinesthetic. Okay? I will talk to you soon. This is Katerina Christakos with PainFreeDrugFree.com, and I really hope that this is helping you out. Watch for more.